Learn German fast. What is equals?
Was ist? Willkommen.
From Synapse Lingo. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources. Ready to smile, learn, and master.
Was ist?
Hey there, I'm your friendly guide, and together we'll unlock the power of
Was ist?
the tiny German key that opens big explanations. Imagine pointing at a weird kitchen tool and confidently asking, in German,
Was ist?
Boom, mystery solved. Your goal today. In just a few minutes, you'll use
Was ist?
clearly and confidently. Core phrase.
Was ist?
Equals what is. Breakdown.
Was
Equals what.
ist?
Equals is. Easy, right? Quick example. Point to a tool and say,
Was ist?
then listen for the answer. Mnemonic. German.
Was
Looks like English, was, but means, what. Add.
ist? Was ist?
Mini forms and patterns. Let's plug the phrase into common situations. What is this? Say.
Was ist das?
Point closer. What is this thing here? Try.
Was ist das hier?
Compare question words. Who is?
Wer ist?
Where is?
Wo ist?
What is?
Was ist?
Answer starter you might hear.
Es ist.
It is. Micro dialogue. Detective mode. Jump into a silly scene to lock it in. You, whispering to your gadget, okay, mystery object, reveal yourself. You, to a local.
Was ist?
Local, smiling.
Es ist ein Kartoffelschäler.
It's a potato peeler. You, dramatic, case closed. Next clue, please. Tap, clap, drill. Move a little, it helps memory stick. Tap, clap, ask.
Was ist?
Point, tilt head, ask.
Was ist?
Rhyme it. If you don't know, don't sit, ask.
Was ist?
Culture tip. Use classroom confidence anywhere. In German classrooms, kids raise a hand and ask.
Was ist?
When they meet a new word. Do the same on a Berlin street, in a museum, or at a cafe. Friendly tone, open palms, and a curious smile. Pronunciation nudge. Say it clean and short. Say.
Was
Like was, not was, and keep.
ist?
Crisp, east. Put it together.
Was ist?
Try 3 times, slightly faster each time.
Was ist? Was ist? Was ist?
Quick quiz. Answer out loud, no overthinking. How do you say, what is, in German?
Was ist?
Point to an unfamiliar icon on your phone. What do you ask?
Was ist?
Which one means, what?
Wer? Wo?
Or,
Was?
it's.
Was?
Finish the question to ask about an object on a table.
Was ist das?
Real world challenge. Bring German into your space right now. Pick 3 objects around you. Point and say.
Was ist?
For each. If someone's with you, let them answer with.
Es ist.
If not, look it up and repeat out loud. Bonus. Put a sticky note by your door that asks.
Was ist?
Every time you leave. Habit unlocked. Conclusion and thanks. Thanks for learning with Synapse Lingo. Keep asking.
Was ist?
Daily and watch your German grow. For more mini lessons, printables, and audio drills, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Bis zum nächsten Mal, and remember, curious minds ask.
Was ist?